Oh my gosh. Heck no. 50%. Jeez. Holy crap. We're going into this, guys. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay. A to pick up, X flashlight, right trigger to run. Is this running? This is freaking running. Oh my god. What was that? Run. Freaking retard, run! No, hold up the flashlight too. Oh my gosh, my heart, dude, it's freaking scary. Oh my gosh! No, don't, no! Lift up the flashlight, you turd! Is there one right? What? What is that smoke? No, I'm not going over there. Nope, no, I don't want that. I don't want it! I saw something. I don't want it. I'm actually crying. This is scary. Where? Why can't I go any freaking faster? I'm scared. I just want to look at the ground. Please don't kill me. No, that's... Wait, what? Oh, okay. So we're in a freaking graveyard. This is scary as crap. Oh my... Whoa. Oh, it's a tape. It's a tape. Guys, winner. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Oh, give me that. Oh, shrimp. Oh my freaking god! Oh! Oh my gosh. No, run! No, 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 no. Fudge that. I'm out of there. No, turn off the flashlight. Just run, Mom. Mom! Okay, we need the flashlight. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. No, no. You're not gonna scare the crap out of me this... Oh, there... Oh my gosh! That was scary! Should we do that again? Okay, let's do it again. Okay, okay. I'm only doing this freaking twice. I really don't want to be scared again. That was freaking scary. I know there's a tape over here. Okay, there's not a tape over here. Come on! Faster! What is that? That's a tape! I got this! Hey! No! Did I grab it? I didn't even freaking grab it. Give me that crap. Nope. I want it in my belly. Run! No, no, no. I'm looking for you. I didn't pull. Ah! Something scared me. No, no. Oh my gosh, right there! No, 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 no. No, please, please. I don't want to look. 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 Run, 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 run. I just look at the tree. Look at the freaking tree. No, look down. Scary. Oh my gosh. Is there a tape here? Oh my gosh. I swear he's right behind me. Run, just run. No, no, not freaking looking up. No, no. Okay, keep going. Run, run, run. Ah, no, I don't want to look. No. I'm shaking so freaking. Oh, that's river. That's a freaking river. Oh, it's another tape. Winner! I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my gosh! Heck no! I'm never playing that game again. Thank you guys so much. That was just something else besides Call of Duty. That was scary as crap. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in another video. Guys, that was freaking scary as crap. Bye, everyone.